So here we have this 500mm by 500mm honeycomb laser bed. Now, full disclosure, this was sent to me for free, but the opinions in this video are my own. The honeycomb also came with this thin aluminum sheet that goes under the honeycomb to protect your table. And it also came with these corner protectors. As you can see, I have the X-Tool 10-watt laser engraver, and this honeycomb fits perfectly with it. The honeycomb itself is fairly rigid, and it has millimeter markings on two sides to easily line up your workpiece. But for some reason, there aren't any inch markings. Anyway, if you're not sure if you need a honeycomb, well, here's an example of what cutting wood will look like without one. And this is what it looks like cutting with a honeycomb. As you can see, the latter one is much cleaner. Now, one thing I'm not so happy about is this honeycomb didn't come with any sort of pins to hold down the workpiece. But I guess that's not that big of a deal because this X-Tool honeycomb I bought came with these magnets and they don't work at all. Also, what surprised me about this honeycomb is that it was significantly cheaper than the X-Tool honeycomb. The quality is also pretty comparable, and the only differences seems to be the size of the holes in the honeycomb. So if you're looking for a good quality cheap honeycomb for your desktop laser engraver, then this one's definitely worth taking a look at.